Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, this is actually my first ride on 2026, and today I'm gonna going to an event, a bike event. It's a season start event. So the event is for 3 days, from Friday until today on Sunday, and today is the last day of the event. And but for before that, I need to fill the bike with the gas first, and then we go to the event. All right, here it is. How much is the 98? Woohoo, 180 per liter. The price is changed every day, but yeah, what we can do, I cannot make the petrol, so I guess have to accept it. Filling the bike, it's already done. Now it's a full. Now it's time to go to the event. It's luckily it's not that far. Yeah, around 20 minutes 30-minute ride, and we'll be arrived. And finally, today it's nice day. I mean, it's not a perfect day, but yeah, compared to a few months before, now it's a nice weather. Last week was raining all week, and today a little bit sunny. The sun is a little bit shy to showing to show to us, but it's nice today. It's 12 degrees, so it's warm compared to before, which is minus. The feeling it's already summer. It's warm. Actually, I thought it's gonna be super cold when riding, but it's very warm. I did not feel that cold in my finger. And today is very nice day, and it's Sunday. Probably many people come with the bike, and yeah, I will see how many people come with their bike. All right, here we are. Yeah, as I can see, there is a many bike. Many people come with a bike. All right, so I'm just finished going to the event. I make a few video of a bike. It was so many people. It's so difficult to make a video.
Und will das für dich eigentlich alles jetzt langweilig ist, nur 50 Minuten, hast du vielleicht etwas anderes. Was hat dich zum Schluss zum Road Racing gebracht?
Ja, das war Geschichte der Arzt bei der Bolliger, der Helmut Bolliger hat immer erzählt vom Rennen.
Jeder hat im Dorf auf der Straße rumrennen. Sind die also gestört oder sind die logisch?
Nein, das ist, ich weiß es nicht, das ist so ein, das ist Waldweg.
Okay, also das heißt, wenn ich normal auf der Rennstrecke und bin Bremspunkt, bla 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 bla, dann hast du einen Teil auf Melbourne rund 60 Kilometer, ist auch die Bremse.
Sorry. And there is no Kawasaki H2 or ZH2 right there. It's only what I see, it's Z900, the new Z1100, which before is Z1000, and the Kawasaki ZX4. Alright guys, I guess that's it, the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you another video.